Hello, as you can see in this question, it is asked an object moving in a straight line has a velocity v in meters per second that varies with time t in seconds. According to the following function, the displacement of an object between t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 6 seconds is okay. So, how do we find it? Okay. So v is given, the velocity function is given as 4 plus 0.5. Let us write 0.5 as half half just a minute, half t square. Okay, and we know velocity, instantaneous velocity is ds dt, right? So we can write this to be ds dt, 4 half t square. Now I can bring this 4 plus half t square dt this side. Now I can integrate in order to find out the total distance traveled. So s will be nothing but integration of ds. So integration of this function 4 plus half t square dt, and the integration is in the interval 0 to 6. So it will be integrated between 0 to 6. Now, if I integrate this, I get, so 4t plus half into t cube by 3 in between 0 to 6. So if I put 6 in place of t, 4 into 6 plus half into 6 cube by 3. So now we want to solve this, and the rest will be 0, because if I put 0 in place of t, the whole term will become 0. So 4 into 6, okay, 24. This is 24 plus 6 cube divided by 6. So 36. So 36 plus 24 is 60. 60 meters is the answer. So option number E is the correct answer.